In this question, we're asked to find the grams of NaOH given the volume and molarity of NaOH solution. This question has mass, volume, and molarity, so we're going to start off with the molarity formula, which is moles of NaOH divided by the volume of the solution in liters. Before we continue, let's list down the information that we have. We're given the volume, which is 250 ml. Since the formula requires the volume in liters, let's go ahead and convert our 250 ml to liter. So we know that 1 ml is the equivalent to 10 to the power of negative 3 liter, or 1000 ml is 1 liter, whichever that works for you. That's gonna come out to be 0.25 liter. We have the molarity, which is 2 molar, and the question wants us to find the gram of NaOH. Since we have the molarity and volume, let's go ahead and rewrite our molarity formula to give us mole of NaOH. We plug in the molarity and volume that we have, and that's going to give us 0.5 mole. From the mole that we've just found, we're going to use that to find the grams of NaOH, which is what the question asks us to find. We can relate mole to mass using molar mass. And after rewriting the formula, grams of NaOH can be calculated by multiplying the mole that we found, 0.5 mole, with the molar mass of NaOH, which is 40 grams per mole. And that will give us 20 grams. Therefore, the grams of NaOH required to prepare 250 ml of 2 molar NaOH solution is 20 grams. Hope you find the video helpful. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.